I'm Paul Yaffe, and this is the Dennis Kirk Product Spotlight. And today we are talking about our original monkey bars. This particular style is for the Batwing fairing bikes, like the Street Glides and the Electra Glides. I'm sure you're familiar with our monkey bars. They're incredibly comfortable. They give a badass attitude to your bike, and a very natural hand position. These particular bars are a 12-inch rise. But the coolest part about this particular handlebar is that if you notice, there's some cellophane on them right here because they are pre-wired. And lots of people will complain about the difficulties they have wiring the handlebars. And these ones, you just don't have to. All you do is take off your switch housings, plug them in here, put them on, plug the bars in, and you are good to go. If you haven't experienced Paul Yaffe Monkey Bars, they will change your life. So check them out at DennisKirk.com, and you will love them. Tell them I sent you.